Hello friends, this is Dr. Pawan Tambre, working as Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nashik. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Now we will head toward the fifth video lecture of the chapter Acids and Bases. So in first four video lecture we have seen various concepts, that is introduction to acids and bases, various ways of defining acids and bases, pKa, pKb concept of conjugate acids and bases, and various factors which affects acidity of organic molecules. Now in this video lecture we will explore certain examples of organic acids. Before proceeding to examples, let us remind the factors which affects acidity of organic molecules predominantly. In previous lecture we have seen those factors. So some of the important factors are strength of Ha bond. We know that if Ha bond is stronger, acidity will be less, and if Ha bond is weaker, acidity will be more. Second is electronegativity of A in Ha molecule. If electronegativity is more, then bond will be polar and that bond will break comparatively easily, so that molecule will be more acidic in nature. To the contrary, we have also seen that apart from this electronegativity or polarity of bond, one more factor operates over there, and that is size of A negative which forms. So size of A negative matters a lot. For example, in case of halogen family, we have seen that Hi is strongly acidic in nature as compared to other molecules. Although fluorine is more electronegative, HF is least acidic and Hi is more acidic. It is because in that case size of I negative matters a lot. And the next factor which we explored was stabilization of conjugate base which forms after removal of proton from Ha molecule. So keeping in mind all these factors, now we will move towards some example of organic acids. So let us have some examples. So we know that among halogen family, fluorine is highly electronegative and electronegativity decreases if we move down from fluorine to chlorine to bromine to iodine. So keep this in mind. Now let us have a look at this example. In this example, you can see that this is simple acetic acid, and in rest of the four, the alpha hydrogen atom of acetic acid is replaced by halogen, either iodine, bromine, chlorine or fluorine. We have seen same example in last video lecture as well. So if you look at pKa value of these acids, then one can easily comment that this fluoroacetic acid is most acidic in nature among these 5 acid molecules. Now why it is so? Because fluorine is more electronegative and it is close to carboxylic acid group, and thus after removal of this proton there is a formation of conjugate base, that is carboxylate anion, and that carboxylate anion is stabilized to more extent by this neighboring fluorine atom as compared to chlorine, bromine, iodine or hydrogen, and thus this molecule is strongly acidic in nature among these 5 molecules. In the same way, if you look at these 3 examples, in these 3 examples there is a difference in position of bromine atom. In this case, bromine is close to carboxylic acid functionality. In this case, it is quite away, and in this case, bromine is far away from carboxylic acid. So, effect of bromine, that is stabilization effect of bromine for conjugate base, is more in this case. However, because of difference in distance, that effect will be less here and the same effect will be least in this case, and thus this molecule is more acidic in nature in these 3 molecules. So you need to keep these factors in your mind when you compare acidity of organic molecules. Now let us have some aromatic acid. The simplest aromatic acid possible is benzoic acid. In case of benzoic acid, when it lose proton, there is a formation of this type of carboxylate anion, and this carboxylate anion is stabilized because of resonance effect. This negative charge is delocalized on next oxygen atom, and it is further delocalized in aromatic system, and because of that benzoic acids are sufficiently acidic in nature. Now many a times in university examination they ask question like why phenols are acidic in nature. So if you look at these structures, you will come to know why phenols are acidic in nature. This is phenol molecule. When this phenol molecule comes in contact with base, then base will abstract this proton, that is this oxygen hydrogen bond breaks heterolytically, and there is a formation of phenoxide anion. Once this phenoxide anion is formed, this negative charge which is present on oxygen is delocalized in aromatic system. So in this case, delocalization of this negative charge on aromatic system is possible, and this is the reason why phenols are acidic in nature. Now if suppose this benzoic acid or phenol are substituted by some atom or group, then what is the effect of those substituents on acidity of either aromatic acids or phenols? That we will see in next slide. So let us have some examples. Now look at these examples. In this case, this is simple benzoic acid and these are substituted benzoic acids. In this case, methoxy group is present at para position, and in these three cases, nitro group is present either at ortho, meta or para position. And if you look at trend of acidity, then this molecule is stronger acidic and this molecule is least acidic in nature. So if you carefully observe this molecule, you will find that in these three cases, nitro group is present either at ortho or para position, and nitro group is electron withdrawing group. And in this case, methoxy is present at para position and methoxy is powerful electron releasing group. So we can make a thumb rule over here. If electron withdrawing atom or group is present close to this carboxylic acid functionality, then it helps in enhancement of acidity because of stabilization of conjugate base of that acid. However, if electron donating group is present, then that electron donating group will decrease the stability of conjugate base of parent acid, and it has direct effect on acidity of molecule. So if electron withdrawing group present, then it enhances acidity, and if electron donating groups are present, then they decreases acidity. Now in this case, electron withdrawing groups are present but still acidity is different. Now the second factor which matters is position of electron withdrawing group. If electron withdrawing group is present at ortho or para position, then its effect is more. However, if electron withdrawing group is present at meta position, then its effect is comparatively less. Same is true for electron donating groups, and because of that, ortho and para nitrobenzoic acids are more acidic in nature as compared to meta nitrobenzoic acid, and so on. Let's have some other examples. Now I guess you will clearly understand this example from our earlier discussion. In this case, benzoic acid is substituted by different groups. This is methoxy, this is methyl, this is nitro, and in this case two nitro groups are present. Methyl and methoxy are electron donating groups. Among methyl and methoxy, methoxy is powerful electron donating group, and in this case we are having one nitro and here we are having two nitro groups. So obviously the molecule which has two nitro group will show more stabilization of carboxylate anion. So this is more acidic. acidity of this molecule is next to this molecule. Because this benzoic acid do not have either electron donating or withdrawing group, it is having its moderate acidity. In this case, methyl, which is electron donating, is present at para position, so it decreases acidity of parent benzoic acid. And in this case, methoxy, which is powerful electron donating, is present at para position, and thus acidity of this molecule is less even as compared to this molecule. So I hope you are understanding effect of electron donating and electron withdrawing group, and also their tendency to either withdraw or donate electrons. Then look at this example. In this case, this carboxylic acid is present directly on aromatic system, which can show phenomena of resonance. In this case, this carboxylic acid is present on aliphatic carbon, which attached to aromatic system, and in this case this carboxylic acid is present on alicyclic system. And if you look at pKa values of these three molecules, then from pKa value we can say that this benzoic acid is more acidic in nature as compared to phenylacetic acid and as compared to cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Now what is the reason? In case of benzoic acid, after losing proton, after donating proton, the carboxylate anion so form is stabilized because of resonance effect. However, in this case, resonance effect is less or it is not at all. In this case, there is no resonance effect and system is alicyclic, and because of that, there is a difference in acidity. This is more acidic and this is least acidic because of stabilization of carboxylate anions. So we need to remember that if electron withdrawing atom or group is present on a system close to our carboxylic acid group under investigation, then that electron withdrawing atom or group will helps in enhancement of acidity. To the contrary, if electron donating group is present close to carboxylic acid group, then that electron donating group will decreases the acidity by destabilizing the conjugate base of carboxylic acid. Now look at this example. In this case, benzoic acid is substituted by OH at different position, at meta position, at ortho position and at para position. And if you look at pKa values of this molecule, then you will come to know that this orthohydroxybenzoic acid, that is salicylic acid, is more acidic in nature as compared to other. Not only that, the pKa value is quite less as compared to pKa value of other molecule. Why there is such a huge difference in acidity of this salicylic acid and other similar substituted benzoic acids? Now in this case, what happens? In case of this orthohydroxybenzoic acid, that is salicylic acid, there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding between this hydrogen and oxygen of carboxylate group, and because of this intramolecular hydrogen bonding, after losing this proton, the carboxylate anion so form is stabilized because of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. However, if you look at this meta-hydroxy benzoic acid or para-hydroxybenzoic acid, then in these cases possibility of intramolecular hydrogen bonding is not there, and thus these molecules shows more acidic character as compared to other. These type of questions are always asked in university examination or in competitive examinations. I hope you understand this particular point. Now we have already explored why phenols are acidic in nature, and this is the same thing. But if phenol is substituted, if phenol is having substituent, maybe electron donating or withdrawing, then what will happen? Obviously same thing will happen as in the case of benzoic acid or substituted benzoic acid. So let us have one example. Now in this case, We are having 4 molecule. First one is simple phenol, and in another 3 molecule phenol is substituted by fluorine either at ortho, meta or para position. And if you look at pKa value, then we can comment that this molecule, that is orthofluorophenol, is most acidic in nature among these 4. And the reason is again same. Fluorine is electronegative atom, it pulls electron. So after formation of this type of phenoxide anion in this molecule, that phenoxide anion is more stabilized in this structure, and thus this molecule is more acidic in nature as compared to other 3 molecules. I hope in this video lecture you understand various example and effect of electron donating and withdrawing atoms or group on acidity of molecules. Thank you for watching my channel. Thanks a lot.